Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how can remove this border line input text Elementor Pro. So it is the very easy to remove this text. So at first you have to go the customize and then you have to go additional CSS. Here is my additional CSS. Go to bottom. Here look this, here is outline of borderline. You just have to use a code to remove this outline border. So this is my code. I have to copy and paste here. Then I will publish it. You have to wait to publish. So when it will be published, then we will go to our page and refresh our page. And check, look that our outline border has gone. So this is the very easy tip and tricks to remove the outline border. And thank you so much to watching the video. Okay, bye bye.